Hey guys, this is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus, and what I have for you today are some ingredients that I purchased recently to make these peanut butter fat bombs. And I made another extra batch, and I made, boom, peanut butter chocolate swirl with a little bit of coconut on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see. Well, there's a little bit of coconut on this, a little bit of creativity. I don't know what happened. These two, they're going to be eaten anyway. So these are the peanut butter coconut chocolate bombs, and these are the peanut butter bombs with a shredded coconut. I just rolled it in a shredded coconut. This is the chocolate that I had purchased. It's unsweetened, Baker's unsweetened chocolate. And let's see here. I never really looked. Yeah, 0 sugars. So when I did the chocolate swirl on that, I put like 1 packet of the stevia. And I want to give a shout out to Keeping It Simple, Keto de la Creme, and Keto-licious. I know there's a host of others, but thank you all so much for your comments. Thank you so much for just taking the time and listening to these videos. I really appreciate it. And these are the ingredients. Don't pay any mind to my other stuff back here. I just keep stuff on my counter. I'm going to have some more great recipes as time goes on. I'm just loving this keto lifestyle, and I'm really enjoying, getting into these desserts right now. So I hope you take the opportunity and do it yourself, because it's very easy. But I will leave a link of the recipe, and all you have to do is just click down on the arrow. So this is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus. And this is if this is your first time watching. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will have more recipes in the future. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, signing out. Love you all, and happy Resurrection Day. Happy Easter. Okay, bye-bye.